Okay, so shall we start our session?
Yes, yes. So first of all, good afternoon.
Yes, very good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great, and thank you so much for asking. What about you? How is
Yes,
going on? Hmm.
yes, I'm also doing great. Thank you so much for asking. And we are meeting second time, right? But I forget.
Yes,
Could you tell me where are you from?
yes, sure. So now I'm going to give you the short intro. Okay, so as you know, my name is Sweta, and I'm connecting to you from Delhi. I'm a homemaker, mother to two children, and yeah, I hold my BCom BA degree. And in addition, I'm a CTET qualified, right? And nowadays, I'm running YouTube channel where I enjoy my conversational video. Sometimes I post my solo video, right? So yeah, and if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are cooking, traveling, and gardening. Yeah, that's pretty much from my side. Thank you.
Wow, great to know about you. So, as
Yeah.
you are qualified seated, right? So, have you ever tried to join any school?
Okay, yeah, I did job and I used to teach, but yeah, at present I am working as a homemaker, right? So yeah.
Okay,
This-
all
Mhm.
right, all right. Yeah, now I
Okay.
remember. Actually, I forget now. Okay. Okay, so let
Okay.
me tell you my introduction in a brief. So, as you already know, my name is Suman. I'm from Delhi and I have done my graduation. Now I am pursuing masters in English literature and I have also
Mhm.
done NTT diploma. And if I talk about my profession, I'm a teacher. And as well as I'm also running a YouTube channel. My channel name is Learn English with Suman. So over there, I
Mhm.
upload English conversation video and some solo video like you. That's all
Yeah.
about me. Yes.
Just know about you and amazing introduction from your side. Yeah. As you told, you are now at present, are you teaching somewhere?
Actually, I am teaching, sorry, I have been teaching before COVID at my home. Earlier, I used to teach at institute, but now I am teaching at my home. I have been
Okay.
teaching for at least for more than 10 years, I can say.
Hmm. Yeah, it's a very great job are you doing. So, it means you are taking tuition classes at your home, right? So,
Yes,
in
yes.
yeah, which class do you teach?
I teach from first to fifth standard all subject. And apart
Mhm.
from that, I'm also taking two sessions. I
Mhm.
take two sessions online, which is spoken English.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So, I would like to ask, how do you usually spend your weekends?
Weekend. Actually, I'm a like a very punctual kind of personality, right? So there are
Mhm.
so many works which pending. So I prefer to complete my on the weekend because I don't
Okay.
like if I am doing here something so my home or my things here and there. So I don't like these kind of things. So I prefer to finish. I prefer to set up all things on the weekend so that in on Monday I feel refreshed. So and I also
Okay.
enjoy while scrolling phone because as usual I don't spend too much time like scrolling with the phone. And sometimes husband my stay home on the weekend. Sometimes he goes to office, sometimes he stay. Then I love to enjoy with him and like watching movies, going
Mhm.
somewhere like that. And I also spend quality time with my kids because every day kids go to school and just they come back and we give them food and after that we again busy with our schedule, so we are not spending too much time, right? So
Right.
yeah, so
Mm,
I love to
that
spend like that my weekend. And what about you?
Yeah, that's nice. You are spending your time with your husband, with your kids. So yeah, that's amazing. And yes, if I talk about my weekend, so I usually I usually like to spend my weekends relaxing with my family, and I sometimes I go out to grab a bite and walk on a park, and yeah, sometimes I love to cooking something different for my children. So like we can say dessert and some snacks, so they love. And also on weekends mostly I don't want to do extra chores, because I just finished all the chores in weekdays, so that I can I can snatch some time for me, for my with my family or children. And sometimes I catch up my friends over a cup of tea, or we can say pakoras or something like that. So I do. And yeah, like you, I also, when I get my free time, then I like to watch some old movie, right?
Okay.
And nowadays I am inculcating the new habit, that is reading. So I love to read some interesting stuff. So whenever and I get some books or something, then I like to read. And this is how I spend my weekend most of the time. Yeah.
Wow, amazing, amazing. As you mentioned, um, you love to cooking on the weekend, like dessert, snacks, different kinds, right? So I think every mom doing like that, because when kids stay home, so most of the kids or our husband or our family member expectation something different, because usually everyone go to office, so just prepares something in a hurry early in the morning, right? And
Yes,
the
yes.
in the evening we just prefer only dinner, especially for my family. So on the weekend everyone expectation something new. Okay, so
Right,
as you
right.
mentioned, you love to you inculcated habit of reading, right? Started. So what kind of books do you read? What is your genre?
Actually, yeah, I am fond of reading Sudha Murty's book. So yeah, and I have been reading her book. It's been, I think, more than 2 months, and I like to read her books, because whenever I start reading, then I feel connected with that concept. And like whatever she wrote, yeah, I can resonate with my day-to-day life. And the stories whatever she wrote, so all the stories related to ordinary people, common people, right? So that is something hooked my attention to read her book. And yeah, thing, and also her way of writing, it's amazing, like anyone can understand the things, the concept, all the concept, you can read yourself and you can understand yourself, right? That is the right like good thing. So that is why I'm liking and I'm reading her book,
All
right?
right. So could you reveal the books which you already done?
Yes, I have read first. It was first book which I read, that is 3000 Stitches, and I ordered five, like pack of 5 books, so that I already have read. And now that was one another book. It was no Mother We Never Know, right? And now I am reading Wise and what is the name? Wise and Otherwise. Yeah. So now I am reading that one.
Among of those books, which one is your favorite?
Yeah, yeah. But 3000 Stitches. It was
Okay,
my
so could you
favorite.
tell me what did you learn from that particular books? Could you
Yeah, actually,
tell me in a brief, I can say, or your choice. If you want to elaborate, so you can elaborate also.
okay, okay. Uh, so actually, which is the one thing I liked, most of that book. Her, she mentioned there about her study and how she struggled in her life to come back. Even that time, she wanted to become, engineer, software engineer. But that was the time. So usually, girls were not allowed to take admission in any, engineering college. So that was challenge for her. But she was, stay on the ball all the time, and she had that, adamant, like, no, I have to do this one, and she did. She, whatever she wanted to do, she did. And yes, she had a great commitment towards her, promise and whatever she wanted to do, and she did. And also, she used to help needy people, and she used to work as a social worker, right?
Mm-hmm.
That is also very nice. And always I appreciate her work, right? Yeah, so that's why, because she is a one of inspiration for like women, because women have lots of excuses, like I have lots of work, and how can I do. Even she had, like, she have also two children, and she raised them in a great, way, and having all those responsibilities. But she also did something for herself. And now we all know, about her life, like how she overcome from like nuisance, and she like faced lots of challenges in her life, even though she get rid from all those challenges, and now she is, shining as a star in our society, right? So we all know about her, so that is something I like most,
Okay,
right?
great narration, I can say. All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
So do you also do you also like to love to read book, or you have some other interest?
Mm-hmm. Actually, I love to reading book, but I prefer to read whatever I teach my student. So whenever I get free, so I try to read those chapter whatever I have to teach them, so that I can elaborate that chapter sorry, I can elaborate that chapter in a easy and in a short method. Because if you describe everything in front of the student, so under 12 year, so they get little bit monotonous. So that's the reason I try to make uh, make them study like fun and interesting something. So first, if I read that particular chapter, so it is easy for me, and it is easy to explain to them.
Hmm.
So that's the
Right.
reason. Yeah,
Yeah,
otherwise,
I can see.
hmm.
Hmm.
And now I'm thinking to read like some of books, and I also purchased one of book, Atomic Habit. But I just read
Hmm.
only three to four, 5 page. But now, that books I didn't find. I don't know where is it. I tried to find, but I didn't remember where
Okay,
I put
you kept
that
somewhere
particular.
and you forgot. Right. Means you kept somewhere and then you forgot, right?
Yes, yes, right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know what
Sometimes it
happened with
happens.
me? I'm not just sit particular one place and just start reading. If as like where if I comfortable with the dining room, so I uh, sit there. If I comfortable with my tuition room, so I sit there like that. And
Hello.
I have,
Hello.
I think,
Actually,
let
your video was stuck. some for a few seconds.
Now okay?
Yeah, now okay.
All right. Actually, maybe power went off. That's the
Oh, yes,
reason.
yes. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
All right. So, I also make three Almira for books. So
Oh,
I didn't
yeah.
remember. I have to just check one by one because uh, I accumulated so many books because I love to book. So that's the reason,
Hmm.
that book size is really very small. So I have to find out where is it, where I kept.
Right, right. It means you would have, collections of books, and yeah, you love to collect different kind of books, right?
Yes,
Okay, it was we yeah, in this way we can say that you are a bookworms. So you love to
yes,
book and you love to collect different like genres. Okay,
yes, you're
so
right.
now yeah. mm, I
Mhm.
think you have a little bit network issue because your pics are, like buffering sometimes.
Okay, let me check.
Now it's okay.
Yeah, from my side, little bit today network issue. I don't know why.
Now it's okay. Now it's okay.
All
Okay,
right.
nice. Okay,
So, as you
so
mentioned, you have two kids, right? Yes, if you have, so you can ask.
yeah, I would like to say, like as you told, you whatever you want to teach your, like your students, right? So first, you just try to make a kind of lesson plan, or you
Mm-hmm.
just want to gather some information, more information about that, right? So
Mm-hmm.
that if you have sufficient knowledge about that particular exercise like lesson, then you can elaborate that all the concept in a better manner, so that if there is small children under 12 years, so yeah, it is quite tough to make them understand, right? And like you have to complete your things within 5 minutes, because they can't hold their attention more than 5 minutes, right? So we have to make them understand within a certain time. So yeah, it is
Mm-hmm.
very important. For that we need to study, we need to go through that lesson, and just clear your doubt, your concept first, then we can make them understand in a very good way. Yeah, that's a
Mm-hmm.
very good thing. Yes, it is,
Hmm.
I think, right way to teach small kids, right? And
Yes.
first we need to understand their mind themselves, what they actually want to do, because
Mm-hmm.
they are always in fun mood. So accordingly we have to treat them, right? Sometimes we can also enjoy with them, and sometimes we can make them understand something, whatever you want to make them understand. You can play something, and through that you can make them learn, right? So this is very important, and it is very difficult, or we can say challenging task, especially if you are going to teach small children, right?
Yes, right. Absolutely right. And if you are taking tuition class and at the same time different from different school student come to you. So this is a really very tough. So sometime what happened, I have to make it in advance notes while exam, while like exam or UT. I have to make also
Mhm.
notes for them. Before come to my student, I can say I do hard work at least 2 and 3 hours for making their notes so that do they can do preparation for exam in a better way. So that's the reason
Mm.
I make for them notes also, not for every student, as like uh, from same class 4 to 5 students come to me, then I prefer to prepare notes. If only one student, so I can handle without making notes because I teach them each and every single day little bit. And I told him personally, please write down these question or these word meaning, then I will test you tomorrow. But if big number of students, so then I prefer to make notes.
Yes, of course. First, we need to prepare for that. Like if you are giving your classes in a group, so accordingly you have to prepare yourself, your notes and everything, right? If you are taking one-to-one classes, so that time it is quite easy to make them understand, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
whatever you are going to teach them, especially small children, so you have to you need to apply different kind of techniques, because same techniques doesn't work always, right? So for that we need to find and research some new techniques, so that you can make your teaching very fun, or we can say in productive. Then they can learn something by playing method, by playing method, or sometimes we need to be strict, but most of the time you need to behave friendly, right? Otherwise
Yes.
they are not ready to learn anything, right? They start throwing their tantrum, and they don't sit properly right? So
Yes,
they
yes. We
these
have to make balance. We have to make balance. You know, if we are showing their friendship, so they are just showing pampers, and they don't want to ready to work on the same time. So
Hmm,
we need to just make balance for them.
right, right.
Yeah,
Sometimes, yeah, it's very compulsory. Being a teacher, you need to understand the mood of your children, the time, and all these things, right?
right.
Okay, nice. So, are you enjoying while teaching, or sometimes you get frustrated? Because as I told, teaching a small children, it's a really daunting task, right?
Okay, so as I already told you, I have been teaching more than 10 years because I also used to teach before my marriage. So, I have a, I can say, quite a experience. So I don't feel monotonous or boring because I enjoyed a lot while teaching because I know very well how to handle my student. So, and touch wood, my student is also follow me whatever I said to them. So this is a,
Hmm.
I can say, I'm a big fortunate. So they are everything follow. So
Hmm.
yeah, I enjoy. Sometimes it's
Okay.
like, when we get frustrated, there is one reason. If students exam going on, and if you give any task, then they are not ready to do, or making some excuses, then we feel frustrated because tomorrow is your exam, still you are making excuses. So sometimes this kind of activity make me frustrated. Otherwise I cool with my student.
Okay, so I would like to discuss one thing here. Like nowadays, we can see even children are studying in like private schools, right? And they are providing good education. Even though nowadays tuition classes are prevalent, right? So what do you think about this? Is it is right? It is good for the student, and actually they need to take extra classes, extra tuition, or it's a waste of time and money.
See, I can't say it's a waste of time or money. Yeah, according to my perceptions, if mother, if mother has time to give their child how to monitor them, because small student needs monitoring. They don't need anything. Just if mother tell them, beta, please sit down, now your study time, please check your homework, and mother should be also check their homework, what is complete and what is not complete. and what should uh, my student need to do further. So there is no need to tuition. Student can do everything at their home. But you know, uh, हिंदी में बोले तो बच्चे ही होते हैं, उनको कुछ नहीं पता होता कि हमें क्या करना है, हमें अपनी स्टडी में क्या करके जाना है, स्कूल क्या नहीं जाना है. दे नीड जस्ट गाइडेंस, दे नीड जस्ट मॉनिटरिंग. इफ मदर कैन टेल everything you have to do, after that you have to do, and then you have to do, so there is no need to tuition. If mother has no time, if mother sometime what happened, mother is not sufficient knowledge how to deal my child, how to tell
Hmm.
them what should you do now or what should you do, what should you not to do. So then they need guidance is important. Student nowadays, student really very smart, our kids also very smart, but just they need guidance.
Right. Yeah, I can see you eye to eye, because I have seen, especially, small kids, when they came back from their school, right? Then mothers always prefer to send them for a tuition classes, right? And they are very small, so sometimes I get surprised. Oh my God, why they are sending these small kids to for a tuition?
You
Because
know,
like mother can like no, they don't need to teach actually, right? They are very small, so mothers can handle them easily, right? But I don't know why they are just like avoiding their responsibility, right? They just want to get free. That's why they
yes,
like
right, right.
it. So I think, and I would say, like no one can take place of mother, right? Means
Absolutely right.
if you are a like a good mother and you have a sufficient knowledge, and every mothers have that much knowledge, then they can teach them, they can play with them, they can they can feel them comfortable with her company. But they are not doing, I don't know what is happening.
Hmm.
So
You know,
sometimes I
yes, yes, go ahead, sorry for interrupt.
sometimes I feel like, okay, it shouldn't be with these, small children, small kids. Yeah, if
Hmm.
children are grown up, they are studying class, nine, 10th, or 8th, and mothers are sometimes mothers are not that much qualified so that they can give them a right, way, or right education, right? So that time it's a good, or they should take any guidance, or they should go for any classes or something. But
Hmm.
in this age, I don't think it
You
should
know, here
be
I would
right.
like to tell you a little bit about mothers because, as I already mentioned, I have been teaching more than 10 years, so I have a little bit experience about mother. Because when they call me, then they talk me, so I observe. You know, there are different kinds of mothers. Some of mothers, they know very well everything, how to monitor their kids, how to guide, right? But they don't have time, they are working. So when they come, like some are teachers, someone is like any another profession, so they just won't take rest little bit because they already uh, tired because of their work, right? And second category, they they have knowledge, they are fulfill of knowledge, but they don't want sit beside their kids. They thought I have already worked, so just only tuition teacher take only 500 rupees or whatever according to their area, so I can send. So at
Yes,
least 1 hour and 1.5 hour go from home, so I can enjoy myself peacefully, right? And
right, right.
yeah, and third category mothers, somewhere they're lacking because of English, because nowadays everything in the English. So some of mother, they are not able to understand properly because of English. They don't have good background of their education. So that's the reason they have compulsion to send their kids.
Hmm. Right, right. you said rightly. There are different categories of mothers, and yeah, but most of the mothers, yeah, I can understand those who are working. They don't have ample time
Yes,
to
here,
see their
here I would like to add one point more. You know, some of kids, what happened, because of only one child, they become like innocent. They don't want to talk with the another person. So some of mother just send their kids to become socialized. If my kids go outside to sit, so he or she can learn so many things from outside, because nowadays kids are also not familiar to go each other home, to play each other home, to play even on the street. So just they stay and close their own home. So that's the reason mothers send their own kid at least go outside to learn something, to become socialized, because they don't want to share their own things like that.
Yeah, but for that they can take take them away for park or somewhere else, so that they can mix up with the children, and they can play, they can enjoy, right? But
But every
then that
yes, yes, yeah, you can go.
yeah, but in this way actually they want to just send them, and they want to enjoy their me time, right?
You are
That's why they.
absolutely right. You are absolutely right. They can also send their kids on the park. But you know, everywhere not available park in near their home. They just need to go with them. But some of lady not free in the evening. So that's the reason. So I think our time is over. Just we left
Oh,
only three
yes, yes.
minutes. Yeah.
Yes.
If you, yeah,
Okay.
if you want to say anything, so you can say. Just we have only 2 minutes.
Yeah,
Then
I
we
would. Yes, yes. I would say it was a great conversation, and we have talked, lots about the children or their education. So it was very, we can say, fruitful and meaningful session, and it, we can say it was a appealing conversation, and yeah, I enjoyed a lot, and thank you so much for joining me, and
likewise
in
you. I
future we
also
will,
enjoyed a lot.
yeah, in future we will catch again, right? So
Yes,
bye
definitely,
for,
definitely.
yeah, bye for now.
Yes.
Have a great day
Okay,
ahead.
bye bye. Nice
And
to
please
meet you.
send me this on my mail. I will send you. Okay.
Okay,
I will
actually,
send you.
mhm. I will send
Then
you. Just wait.